and welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video we're going to talk about Boxycharm, some of the questions you guys have had that I asked about, as well as something that Boxycharm is bringing back. So if this sounds like a video for you, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so I know you've had a lot of questions as far as the Boxycharm Premium goes, the complexion, everything. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about that a little bit later in the video, but first I want to tell you about something that Boxycharm is bringing back to us, and I'm really excited about it. It is a Boxy Pop Up. Now back in July, Boxycharm did this, and it gave us the opportunity to pick up hair care, skincare, makeup, lifestyle products up to 80% off. They decided that since it was successful, since we enjoyed it, they're going to bring it back to us quarterly. Now the months that they're going to do this, I've got my notes here, it's going to be February, May, August, and November. So that means that we're going to have the opportunity to jump in there and pick products up to 80% off. Yes, perfect for the holidays, perfect for gift giving. Like, we love that. I am so excited about it. And I have some products that are going to be available in the Boxy Pop-Up for us to show you guys. So like I said, this is going to be quarterly, and they said in here that shipping will cost $5 per order. For charmers in the United States, shipping is free over $25, and this will not mess with your monthly subscription. So this isn't going to be part of your monthly subscription. You're going to get a whole separate tracking number and everything. It's going to come separately. So a little bit about when you can pick up the products. Starting on November 11th, all of the premium and luxe members of Boxycharm will be able to jump into the store and pick up these products that are up to 80% off. Starting on November 12th, you will go ahead, and everybody else with like a regular subscription, the regular $25 subscription, you'll be able to jump in and get on this as well. Now, you definitely want to make sure you are following Boxycharm on Instagram, as well as they are going to give us a heads up and send us an email for this as well. So definitely be making sure that it doesn't go into your spam folder or anything like that, because these items are pretty amazing, guys. Like, it's not like chintzy junk that nobody wants. It's actually legitimate things that I am excited to show you guys. So starting off, I've got nice little waves, which is great because my curling iron went on the fritz, and they sent me this curling wand. Now the curling wand is by Leela and Milani, and this is one of the curling wands that you get multiple barrels. So it comes like this. It has a glove, it has a small barrel, a large barrel, the glove, directions, as well as of course the little wand part. Now one thing I wanted to show you guys, I have it plugged in to show you guys because I'm a something else. I have this is the medium wand. Now if you go, I don't know if my camera will pick up on it. This, and you plug it in. I don't know if you guys can see right here, it says off. I sat here clicking this on off switch for I can't even tell y'all how long. I finally got so frustrated that the girl who never reads directions decided to whip out the directions. Here's what you gotta do, friends. I am saving you some sanity here. Push it, hold it down till it lights up. Boom, it's on. Yeah, you're welcome. Anyways, I did these waves at about 350 degrees. It goes way higher than that. As far as taking this barrel off and switching them out, there is a little button right here. You just push it down and then it just pops right off. Like, you don't have to have crazy amount of strength or anything. So really excited about this. This would make an amazing gift for the holidays. So yes. As far as lifestyle goes, they're going to have the Swig Life stainless steel mug available. This is good for hot, cold, on the go, whatever it may be. It's 20 ounces, and I love the fact that it has like a grippy thingy down here, so you don't have to worry about it like sliding off the table or anything like that. So that's going to be available in the store. And then let's talk about some hair care, some skincare products I'm so excited about. So hair care, IGK is going to be available in there, and this, the one that they sent me, is the Good Behavior. This is like keratin in a bottle, and it legitimately even says that. Now I purchased mine a while back, and I don't use it on the like every single time I do my hair because this is extra, but I'm not like all the time extra. But what you do is when your hair is still damp, you just section it off, spray it, dry it, and it like It's almost like it closes the cuticles and makes your hair look nice and smooth. You don't have the crazy flyaways. You don't have like, you know, the split ends, I mean, they're there, but they don't show. And I really like this. And anytime you can get IGK on sale, like, yes. Other products that are going to be available, Saturday Skin Essence. I mean, I don't know much about Essence. I hear a lot about it, but I am really excited to try this. So Saturday Skin is going to be in there. Thank You Farmer Miracle Age Repair Eye Cream, going to be in here. Paula's Choice, Tony Moly. Like, there are so many amazing products. Here's one I am so excited about, guys, and I want to try and pick this up as gifts. This is the Korres Hydrating Face Mist H2 Rose. Oh my goodness, you guys know I love more of a dewy look, that my skin went from like grease pit oily teenager skin to like sis is using retinol, so it's like normal to dry. And this is amazing. This gave my skin so much hydration. Like, over the weekend I didn't put any makeup on, so I had spritzed my face down and I was like, oh, I have this really pretty like glowy sheen. I chased my husband. I'm like, honey, try this. This is amazing. He's like, no. And I'm like, you're missing out. It's pretty good. He's like, I'll miss out. Whatever. Anyways, this is going to be available in the Boxy Pop Up, and this would be a great stocking stuffer. Just saying. So, I don't know about some of you guys, like, do you guys buy your own gifts and be like, here husband, here boyfriend, here girlfriend, this is what you're giving me? Like, I haven't had to do that, but I do give my husband a list. And I'm like, this is what you're going to get me. Okay? Okay. Anyways, so yeah, you're going to be able to pick from all of these products and get up to 80% off. We love that. So add-ons are going to be available. So if you're not able to purchase anything during the Boxy Pop-Up, it's still going to be available for add-ons 8 months out of the year for you guys, and we're still going to go ahead and be able to get exclusive pricing on that. So I was excited about that. But like I said, Boxy Pop-Up opens up to premium and luxe members starting November 11th, and to everybody else November 12th. So very, very excited. Like I said, follow them on Instagram. Check your emails, make sure it doesn't go into spam. If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, Boxy Premium, or Boxy Luxe to be a part of the Boxy Pop-Up, I have a referral link listed down below. It is an affiliate link as well. Anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you would do me a favor before you leave, vote by giving me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, whatever it may be. Thank you guys so much for watching, for sticking around. Don't forget to follow me over on my second channel. Check my description box down below for the Boxycharm link, as well as my daughter's channels and coupon codes. We love to save money. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.